Are you already owning a restaurant or planning to open one? Going online would help you grow more quickly. Statista annual reports show a project market volume of $291.10 billion for the platform-to-consumer segment by 2027. It is growing at a CAGR of 8.24%. New food delivery businesses are cropping up everywhere to meet the demand and help restaurants keep their kitchens open. There is no doubt that an investment in the food delivery industry would prosper, since it is one of the industries that is currently growing the fastest. Building a meal delivery company from scratch is a great idea, but you need the right tools and drive to see it through. Here we will assist you in starting a food delivery service regardless of your level of industry experience. Before you begin to create a food delivery app, you must decide on a food delivery app business model that best suits your business type. Here are a few that you can take a look at. Aggregator business model. When starting a food delivery business, you can use a subscription model to charge eateries and customers to use your platform. The successful applications that are built on this specific business model are Just Eat, Delivery Hero, Talabot, and many more. Order and delivery model. If you are a food business owner who does not want to invest in a delivery fleet but still wants the food to reach your consumers at home, this business model is appropriate for you. You can collaborate with logistics providers like Swiggy, Zomato, etc. to manage the delivery. Full-service business model. As the name suggests, you do everything from cooking the food to delivering it. Everything will be done in-house and require a huge investment. Some of the successful examples of this model are Domino's and McDonald's. So finally, let's move towards the actual process of starting a food delivery business. First, research the market. Start by doing thorough food delivery market research. Build an appropriate entry strategy by concentrating on knowing market dynamics. Conduct a strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats (SWOT) analysis in order to compare important aspects of your operation to those of your rivals. Now set target audience. You need to know what customers you are targeting. If you already own a restaurant, your existing clientele will be your target audience. But if you're starting a business, pick a market you can influence the most. Determine your cost and budget. According to business owners, a food delivery startup's costs are usually between $3,000 and $25,000, with monthly overheads reaching $600 to $10,000. Technology costs will be around $30K to $60K to create a food delivery service from scratch. But you can reduce the cost by partnering with a delivery management system. Quickdelivery by QuickWorks is one such platform that can easily integrate with your business model. It's the most preferred delivery management software solution for food delivery services. Quickdelivery caters to every need and streamlines business operations instantly. Quickdelivery can be endorsed by all types of delivery businesses. So if you are starting a new business, collaborate with Quickdelivery and cater to a large audience base. After this, look up business licenses and insurance. The price of acquiring a suitable business license and insurance increases the startup costs of a meal delivery service. As an illustration, consider liability insurance and commercial auto insurance. Next, decide cost of marketing. The price of marketing and advertising also affects how much it will cost to launch a meal delivery service. Advertising your business to millions of online users will help with advertising on social media, in banners, by email, etc. Set up order receiving channels and delivery methods. There are plenty of channels where you can accept orders. Use food delivery software to build your website, take orders, and handle deliveries all in one. GPS tracking and POS integration should both be features of the software. Before even considering starting a food delivery business, you must choose a shipping method. Think about the delivery area you want to cover. Last but not least, promote your brand. Once everything is in place, you must inform your clients that you are starting a food delivery business. Use different media to promote your app and market your brand. By following these steps right, you can easily start your food delivery business. All the best for your new venture. In case of any queries, you can contact the experts of QuickWorks. They will guide you further on this journey. Stay tuned.